our quiz for this week, we could talk about the ones from from Tuesday that we didn't get.
Yeah, for sure.
I did a little bit of research into it. I figured out why we got number, what was it, 10 wrong? The P versus the P hat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you guys look back at that and figure it out too, or?
No, I didn't. I didn't know what to do different because I just was going based off of what I saw in the reading.
Okay, well, what I figured out is that, so what it was asking for is what is P hat. It gave us the value for P, but they're not always the same thing. So P is the true value, the true average, which, and then P hat is going to be the sample value. So, and I haven't got an email back double checking this with him, but what I got from that one, it was saying, it gave us a p-value of 0.30, and it was asking us what is the p-hat value for 35 out of 100. And
Okay.
so, because the sample value that we were looking for was 35, then I'm thinking that the answer for p-hat should have been 35 divided by 100, because that would have been our x divided by our n. So the answer, instead, we put 0.30 because that's what p was, but I think our answer should have been 0.35.
Okay.
If that makes sense.
Well, it does make sense, but how are we going to know that? Like, which one it means?
We didn't read the question. I didn't read the question.
Okay.
Yeah, and I think it's very clear if you just read it thoroughly what it's asking for. It is a little bit tricky in the wording, but going back, it was pretty obvious what the misunderstanding we had. So.
Okay. So what is p hat divided by n?
Yeah, so p hat is the x divided by n, and then the p by itself, we don't really ever know that. It's just given to us, or it's not relevant. I'm assuming is what I got from it.
Yeah.
Okay, and then I still don't know why we got the z one wrong. I'm thinking maybe the negative sign wasn't right, because I emailed him about it and haven't heard back yet, so I'll have to update you guys on that one. I went through it and it still looks right to me, but.
Yeah, sometimes he doesn't get back to me. If I email him, he doesn't get back to me maybe that day, but he'll get back to me like within 2 days, so it's my email.
Okay, Deb, did you have any thoughts on that z-score one, or?
From Tuesday?
Yeah. Okay. I'm still kind of stumped with it, but okay. Well, do you guys want to go ahead and start with our quiz for this week then?
I don't think one from last Tuesday, but I don't know. Doesn't really matter. Moving on, I guess. I have a problem sometimes of going so fast that I don't read the question, and that was my problem with number 10. I still think we're right with the other one.
Yeah, I agree.
Unless it is like what Alex said, and it's the negative sign, and then I don't understand why. I mean, I don't know. I think that it should still be counted as right.
Although I looked on the discussion board and nobody's mentioned that they're having a problem with, that was the wrong answer. So maybe we are. I'm really interested to hear what you find out from him from your email.
Yeah, definitely. I'll forward it to you guys whenever he responds to me. So
okay,
I gotta clear that up.
Awesome. Yeah, I checked my email like 2 days ago. So I used to check my email like once every 2 weeks, and now I check it every day. For work and
Awesome. Okay, well, yeah, let's go ahead and get started on this one then.
okay.
I'll start with number 3. I've got the symbol for the true population proportion is P, so the third one.
That's what I got.
Yep.
And I wasn't sure about 4 and 5, but I don't. If you want to go first, you can go.
Stacey, I think I'm having a hard time hearing you. Can you guys hear me okay?
Yeah, sometimes you cut out, but that's it. So, I don't know,
Okay.
maybe, do I need to get off and then get back on again?
I'll do number 4. I have true for number 4.
Me too.
Yeah, that's true. For 5, I got true.
2.
I did too. For number 6, I got 0.750.
That's what I
Oh,
got.
good. I did that one wrong. I mean, right. I did that one right. I guess the opposite. I got it right. I was trying to do the other ones on the Excel file, but I was trying to make my own formulas. Like I made my own little z-score, and so that all I had to do was put the value of p. Basically, I was trying to make my own
You were
thing.
making it harder for you.
Yeah. So that I didn't get the next ones because I was just like, well, I don't have p. But then I was really looking at it just now with Alex, and I was just like, I don't need p. I need p hat, and I'm just like, what is my deal? Because I was just like, well, I don't have p. How do I get p? And then I was like, I need z-score, and then I was like, oh, I can just use 1.96.
Yeah, well,
So,
for these next ones, literally all you do is you look at that spreadsheet that you pulled up, and you look at the x and the n, and you put in the value for x, and you put in the value for n, and it does everything for you.
okay,
So you'll see that it'll be a lot easier.
Yep.
So 60, let's see.
And also make sure that your confidence level is at 95.
Okay, right. So 100 is the n, right? I mean, sorry, 60 is the n, right?
Yes.
45 is the x. Okay. I just wanted to make sure about that I wasn't getting those two confused. And then the confidence level is 95, and then I get the p hat, or no, I need the confidence level. I get 45 to 50. Wait a second, let's go there. I'm not looking at the right spot.
45 is your x, and your n is 60, and your confidence level is 0.95.
Yeah, that's what I put. And then but I got confidence interval requirements both greater than or equal to 10. Am I looking in the right place?
No, look down. It's going to be the one at the very bottom.
Oh, the 0.640 and 0.860.
Yep. So then for number
Okay.
7, you said number 7 is the second one. That's what I got.
You got decrease?
On number 7, 0.640 and 8 and 0.860.
Uh-huh.
The second one down for number 7.
That's what
Right.
I got.
Yeah, that's it. That's, yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry, lost track. Who has number 8?
I don't remember.
I think it's yours, Stacia. I think Deb had 7, and yours is 8.
Okay, so 8, if you increase the sample size from 60 to 80. Well, I guess I could just type that in real quick. It decreases, right?
That's what I got.
Yeah, that's what I got too.
Okay.
All right, for number 9, I got that the smallest n can be and both requirements to be met is 10.
Oh, I did something wrong then. I got 20.
I might have entered it incorrectly. Yeah, I think I did because I was having computer troubles. 20 because 0.5 times 20 would be 10. Yeah, sorry, 20.
Good.
Okay.
Sorry, that was my computer was acting up earlier.
So for the hypothesis test, I didn't understand that one.
Okay, so that one you just got to look in the readings and it tells you what the requirements are for a hypothesis test. And and so basically you're just figuring out which number you can plug in to make that work. So if if your p-value is 0.5, what's the smallest your sample size can be.
So is it the one that says P hat 89 over 118? Is that the one it's talking about? No.
It's no, so it's in step 4
Okay.
under 3.1, and it just says NP is greater than or equal to 10, or N,
Or N.
yeah,
1
parentheses 1 minus, yeah, exactly.
Okay. And so I just plug in the N and the P, and I would have gotten 20. Alright.
Yeah, so all you're given is the P, so you would just plug in 0.5, and you're like, okay, what times 0.5 is 10?
Oh.
So that's
Oh.
20.
Okay. And so 20 times 0.5 is 10. Got it. Okay.
Yeah.
And then I
Alright.
do, and then I would do the same thing for number 10, and I would make it. I would divide 1 divided by 10, and then plug it in for P, and then see what I multiply out to get 10.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
So I think Deb, you had 10. I think 10 is yours.
Can I have 100? 100. Is that what you got?
That makes sense for me because 100 divided by 10 is 10. Okay, so these ones I didn't get to because I was doing this thing. I wanted to make sure I got that done because I thought that I could have sworn that you told me to get it done by today. Sorry, Deb. So that's what I spent a little bit of my time doing today. Was doing my Skittles and
Oh, your Skittles?
yeah, and putting them into Excel and finding out how I want to formulate it, and then yeah.
I'm not sure, just because we're on that really quick. I don't know. I think eventually we have to combine all the data, but I don't know if you have to submit that yourself. You're going to have to read in that course folder, whatever, what we have to do with our data. Okay?
Okay. Alrighty.
I don't know. We might have to do it all together. I'm not sure, but okay.
I'm pretty sure it's turn it in individually, and then we'll get it together, and I'll do the part about like analyze the data. So, but
I just didn't want you to think that you handed it in and now you're done, because I think you have to hand that in to them, submit it to them.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, I generally. Does he have the assignment in the what is it called, the board, the clipboard, not clipboard, just the island regular?
Yeah, I think you just open it up and submit it. I think it's pretty straightforward.
Yeah. So, oh, in the like the student dashboard. That's what it is. The dashboard. Will it be in the too soon thing probably?
there's also a folder in our course called Group Project down at the bottom, and you'll find all the info from that.
Okay. I did look at that, but I'll look over it again.
Okay.
I thought I forgot to move. So,
All right.
Okay.
So 11. Is it me?
I'll take 11. I think you did that last one. So I got true for number 11.
True as well.
And they say that's just you plug in that. It's the same kind of thing. You do the.
Just that I was doing your answer. What did you say for it?
True.
You got true.
Okay. Yeah, because it gave me. Yeah, they're both greater than 10 because one's 24 and one's 56. So okay.
And totally just plug this one into the Excel sheet too. This makes it super easy.
Okay. And so it gives a p-hat of 0.475.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Awesome. I'm glad I didn't say. Okay.
I'll take 13. So for 13, z equals -2.282. You see that there?
I see the z, but I have -4.392. Am I not plugging something in right?
I got the same thing that you did, Thea. Yeah,
I just,
so 38, 80, 0.95, 0.7, less than. Did you do the less than option?
So I have my X is 38, my N is 80,
Mhm.
my confidence level is 0.95, but my null hypothesis is 0.60, and the type of test is less than.
what is our null hypothesis supposed to be? 0.60 or is it supposed to be 0.70? Because mine has always been on 0.70.
That's what we did wrong. This one says this specific problem is a 0.60 problem. So Deb changed it, and that's why ours is different because we didn't go in and change it like we were supposed to. Yeah.
Oh, about 6%. Okay.
Yeah. So if we change it to 0.6, and we get negative 2.282.
Oh, good. Okay.
Yeah. Glad you caught that.
Yeah, me too. Okay, so that's what I did wrong.
All right, let me see if I got something different for for number 14 because of that.
Yep, you will. Yep.
Yep, definitely. So I got 0.011.
Yep.
Okay.
You see that they
0.
said
Yeah, so I that's what I got. I got 0.011. Is that right? That's what you said.
Hmm.
Okay.
The decision for the test would be we reject the null hypothesis.
Okay.
Yeah, because it's less.
And how do you know about on this one? I can't remember how you.
So it's less than 0.05. Up in the original problem, they say that alpha is equal to 0.05. So that
Right.
means.
And it's the same thing as it has been on other problems.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, and then for the sentence, I'm just making sure that I had it correctly because it's a little different than. So would it be the very last one?
I have that there is. I have the first one.
Okay.
There is evidence.
Okay, that's the one I had put originally. So yeah, that sounds good to me.
Okay.
I hope I'm not leading you down the wrong road on that one.
I definitely don't think so. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and submit today. Awesome.
Yeah, I just submitted mine. Ah. Holy cow.
Are you in Florida yet?
No, I'm in Arkansas, and I will be for the next couple of weeks. So.
Okay, I didn't know if once you hit, and I don't even know the time zone for Florida if it's Arkansas is Central or Eastern, but if we need to make this a little earlier for you because that's going to be kind of late. A 7 o'clock meeting.
Oh yeah, I guess that would put me at 10. 9 is perfect for me, but I mean only if it would be convenient for you guys to move it up a little bit. I'm committed, so I can do the 10 to 11. So.
I don't know if I would. Some days I would probably be able to do 7, but some I might not be able to. I have a semi-late class on Tuesdays and Thursdays as well, and so.
Yeah, that it's totally fine. I'll just work around it. I generally study from 10 to 11 anyway, so I think it'll be. I'll totally be able to work it. I don't want you guys to have to put your inconvenience yourselves. So I appreciate it though.
Yeah, and if you need to, if there's a reason why you need to early on a specific day, then just let me know and I'll try and make that work. Okay.
Okay, appreciate it.
Are you on Central Time right now then?
Yeah, I'm on Central Time right now, so I'm still on regular schedule for myself. I literally don't know how it's going to be switching, but I think it'll be fine.
Okay.
Good. Okay. Well, yay! We're done for the weekend, guys.
Yes, and now all we have is, and that's really easy. I hope that this is what's on the weekend quiz because I actually understand. It's pretty simple.
And I think the next lessons, I I think that he's mentioned that the next couple of lessons we're going to be doing this Excel thing. So it should be a little easier the next couple of times.
Yeah, now that I know where to find it. And I think it's really cool, even just, I don't know, I think it would be really cool, but I just think it's cool how you can just, it's set up for me already for me to do, even if I needed to do something for like science. Like I work for a foundation that does the scientific research already, so I'm pretty, you know, I'm really done. Anything that I have to do less work,
Absolutely.
yeah. Well, have a good weekend, guys.
Hey, Stacey, I have to ask you, did your sister have her baby?
Yeah, my sister had her baby. It was a boy.
Good.
He's so sweet. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. I'll have to send you guys pictures of because it has. I have this picture where there's like a big picture of him sleeping, and then a picture on the right hand side and of his older sisters. So cute. So I'll have to send you guys pictures. Super super cute. But, yeah.
Everything worked out.
She,
Very.
she like her water broke on Thursday, and then she had the baby in her house the next day at like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So it was like a 26-hour labor or like process. So yeah, not her favorite. Like it's because it's a boy.
Well, good. I'm glad that she's okay and he's okay.
Yeah, she is. She's adorable.
Then,
Yeah. Have a good weekend, guys.
bye.
Bye, you guys. Have a good one.